Hi there, welcome back to our Creationz. It's a pleasure to have you join me here once again. Coming up in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 awesome keyboard shortcuts for Windows that will help increase your productivity and save you time. If you wish to learn more, stick around. With the new built-in feature in Windows 10, if you have a cluster of programs on your screen and you wish to hide each and every one of them, there are 2 options. Option 1, you can use the Windows key and the letter D to automatically hide everything on the screen like this. And if you wish to bring everything back, the same Windows key and the letter D to bring everything back. Option 2, if you wish to have hold of just the desired program and hide the others, you can just grab hold of the desired program, shake it, and automatically it hides each and every other program on the screen. If you wish to bring everything back, grab hold of the same desired program and just shake it. It brings each and every other program back on the screen. Next on today's list, if you're having a problem with your touchpad or your mouse and you wish to open any desired program pinned on the taskbar, you can use the Windows key with any number. This is going to open the desired programs on the taskbar. So for instance, if I hold the Windows key and the number 1, this opens my File Explorer. If I wish to open my command prompt, which is number 2 on the taskbar, I hold the same Windows key and the number 2. That opens the command prompt on the taskbar. Now in Windows 10, you can use emojis to tell exactly how you feel. If you wish to use the Windows Emoji Keyboard in Windows 10, just hold the Windows key and the period key. And now you can also save all your files or even your folders with an emoji. So for instance, if I wish to save a new folder with an emoji, all I do is go straight to create a new folder and type in the name for the new folder. I hold the Windows key and the period key. This brings the Emoji Keyboard for Windows 10. And now you can save any new folder with an emoji. Just like this. With the new feature in Windows 10, copy and paste has been made very simple. Now in Windows 10, you can copy a lot of different items right on the spot. And when you get to the place you want to paste them, you can paste the desired copied item. To access the Windows Clipboard in Windows 10, all you need to do is hold the Windows key and the letter V. This brings the clipboard and gives you the items you've copied. So for instance, if I wish to paste this on my clipboard, all I do is select it and it pastes it right there. If I move to the next and I wish to paste another thing on my clipboard, I use the same Windows key and the letter V. Did you know that now you can actually take screenshots of your screen without the use of any third-party application? If you wish to access the screenshot options of your Windows 10, simply hold the Windows key, Shift and the letter S. What we have here, you can actually snipe any portion of your screen in a rectangular mode. You can use the free snipe. You can equally use the window snipe or the full screen snipe. This sends the file directly to a desired storage area where you wish to save it. Then you can later access it. Once again, and as always, thank you so much for watching.